Hey everybody, welcome back to Seasonings to Seasons. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making something sweet. And so I was trying to figure out what I wanted to make, and I realized I had cake mix that has not expired in the pantry still. So I went ahead and found some peaches also. So it's Duncan Hines cake mix and just a can of peaches. And I think I should probably have maybe one more can because I don't think this is going to be enough, but we're going to see if we can make it work. Also, so it's just going to be the cake mix, the peaches, and some butter. So let's get started. I probably should have had this open already before filming, but as y'all know, everything that I do is real life. And I could have did this off camera, but why not show you guys, why not show my subscribers what I'm doing today? So I just opened up the cake mix and I set that to the side. And now I'm just opening up the peaches. And yes, I use a manual can opener. I know a lot of people like to use an electric can opener, but the manual is fine with me. And I'm just going to take this can of peaches and just pour it in. I wish I could make things like biscuits, pizza dough, dumplings. I am not good at that at all. And I wish I was. So, because if I was, I would make a peach cobbler from scratch. So if y'all make a dump cake, how do y'all do y'all's dump cake? Because I'm doing this right here, cutting the peaches up a little bit. I like a lot of crust. Are y'all crust eaters? I like to have more crust than peaches. So I think that's why I'm kind of okay with just having one can. And this was a 29 ounce, the big can, bigger can. So I think I got the peaches pretty much bite size. So now what I think I'm going to do is add a little vanilla and a little cinnamon. Okay, and vanilla. And y'all, this is Winco brand vanilla. And it was far cheaper to buy a larger bottle with Winco brand than to buy one of those name brand vanillas that they give you like this amount in the bottle and charge you $12. So, and I'm not going to measure, as y'all know. I'm just going to pour some in. Pour. And maybe one more time. Pour. Okay. Y'all think that's too much? It'll be all right. And cinnamon. Cinnamon. And I'm going to give that a little stir. And taste it. Y'all, I hope this cake mix is good because that is not sweet at all. I think the cake mix has the sugar and other flavors in it, hopefully, because right now I don't like it. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to top this whole thing with butter, but I also want to put butter in this. Honey, there's no right, there's no wrong. So cooking is fun. Cooking is fun. Cooking is art. Cooking is your art. As I always say, create your own style. Do it your way. There, there, and there. Oop, can y'all see that? And now, so, all right. So we got all that in there. And I am going to smooth it out. Like so. And again, just in case y'all didn't hear me in the beginning, the only reason I'm doing this is because I wanted something sweet, like a pastry, like something, but I don't know how to bake. Isn't that something? Some things some people just never learn in life, and I'm one of those people who have never learned how to bake anything. Okay, and now I am going to top this with butter. And hopefully it makes a nice, delicious crust. And I have some more cake mix in the pantry that I purchased when I got this yellow cake mix a while back. And I want to make that as well. Not today, not today. I want to make another, just make it like a regular cake and use a peanut butter glaze. Have y'all ever had like a peanut butter cake or a peanut butter glaze? Anyway, so the oven was already on. So let me put this in the oven. Okay, so we'll let that cook for a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, the cake is in the oven. It's on 350 degrees for 40 minutes. I got to cook it for 40 minutes. I mean, I'll check it right at the 25-minute mark just to see what's happening because I don't want it to burn, overcook and burn or whatever. But I also don't want my cake raw on the inside, so I will be checking it. Anyways, what do y'all want me to talk about? I'm just trying to pass time while the cake cooks. What do I have to tell y'all? Nothing. I don't have anything to show y'all. I don't have anything to tell y'all. I mean, there's a lot of things that I can show you guys, but I don't know if y'all are interested. Are y'all interested in my boring life? Y'all, I really actually have a boring life. I love it. I like it, but y'all might find it boring. Um, I have a trip coming up. Actually, two separate occasions. One that I'm so excited for is a cruise. We're going on a cruise sometime soon. Well, it ain't that soon. It's going to be this year. 7-day cruise. This is going to be probably like my 8th time going on a Disney cruise. I mean, I've been on other ones as well, but for Disney cruise, it's going to be a Disney cruise. And it's going to stop for sure, I know, at Castaway Cay, which is one of Disney's private islands. And it's going to also stop at the new island. I don't know if y'all ever heard of the new island, which is called I think it's called Lighthouse Point. So that's coming up. And speaking of that, you know, just traveling or whatever, I need new luggage. I need new luggage. And it's like these people at the airport, have y'all ever got a nice set of luggage? Go to the airport and they take your luggage and they just slam it on the ground, throwing it around, and you get your new stuff back and it's all scuffed up and scratched up. So the days of trying to get the good expensive material, that's done. I'm done with that because they're going to just scratch it all up, have it all messed up. So I'm just looking for something that's sturdy but inexpensive, very inexpensive. So and this is just good coffee. It's really good. um but yeah, so I think that's enough sharing with you guys. The cake is almost ready. Out. It is piping hot. Looks delicious. Let's let it cool and taste it. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. It tastes good. And I'm not just saying it because I made it. It does taste good. Coming from me, a non-baker, it tastes pretty good. What if, oh, it's still real hot. What if I had some vanilla ice cream to go with this? Ask and you shall receive. Mmm. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. I'm going to go have a seat and finish eating this. See y'all later. It's really good.